Good evening and welcome to Soundhound Central. Today we are going to be discussing the effectiveness of Soundhound app on your phone. We are going to be interviewing 3 contestants to aid in our research for this application.
What?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
We have done some recent studies on this new app called Soundhound.
Soundhound?
Yes, have you heard of it?
I think I have that on my iPod.
Would you like to help us in our investigation of the effectiveness of this application?
I don't know. Will I be recorded?
Well, yes, sir. You'll be famous.
Well, I guess I'll give it a chance. Okay. And I will always love you. Will always love you. I will always love you. Well, what'd you think of that?
It was nothing like anything I've ever heard before.
Is that a good thing?
Sure. Thank you for your help, sir.
Yeah. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day.
What a lovely voice you have.
Why, thank you, strange woman.
Actually, I'm not any strange woman. I'm here doing an experiment on the effectiveness of Soundhound, and we would like to use you as one of our testers.
Well, Soundhound tester? That doesn't sound strange at all. What kind of song would you like me to sing?
What you were singing was just fine.
Oh, okay then. Give me a little space, lady. Shorty got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor like this. I'm so low.
Thank you for your time.
All right, anytime. I love to sing and rap.
Oh,
I love to rap music.
Yes, you're very good at it.
It has lots of fresh beats.
Yeah.
I get to dance with the at the club.
Okay. Why, hello, miss.
Oh, hello.
Would you happen to have a few seconds
To sing into a microphone
Well,
on a stage for your project?
um,
I might just have some time for that. Will there be stretch limousines?
not quite.
Will there be waiter boys with stretchy pants? Will there be sparkling champagne to celebrate my wonderful singing talent?
Well, it's not really a singing competition.
I shall sing for you.
Okay.
I have more.
I don't think anybody knows that song, so...
Well, just kidding, I don't care. I know I'm talented. I will see you at the stage. Goodbye, you bottom feeder.